Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to math. Today, our learning target says I can use mental strategies to add and subtract within 10. Before we get started, we're going to warm up those counting brains. We're going to do it together. We've done it for 2 days so far. Let's do a third. Count with me, and we're going to count by tens to 100. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job. Let's do it one more time. And this time, see if you can be louder. Maybe jump with it. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job. All right, so remember, we're going to be looking at how we can add and subtract within 10. So I want you to think about how you could solve this problem. 5 plus 2. Yeah, you might start out with 5 cubes. 4, 5. And then you might add on 2 more. 1, so 5, and then 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 would equal 7. Very good. Now, what if I didn't have any cubes? What could I do? I maybe hold up 5 fingers and then add on 2 more and count up. Very good. Let's think about a subtraction problem. If I have 6 minus 3, you might be saying, oh, I'll put 6 cubes. And I might cross out 3 of them. And I see that I have 3 left. You may also have been at the number 6 and counted backwards 3 to get your answer, which would be 3. Yeah, there's all sorts of different strategies that we can use. So today we're going to be looking at some problems, and they're going to alternate between addition and subtraction. And I want you to think about the different strategies and try to use your mental strategy that would be the most helpful to solve. So the first one reads 2 plus 7. Take a moment of private think time and see if you can solve 2 plus 7. All right, so if we're at 2, you maybe counted up 7 more. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 9. My suggestion would be to find the bigger number of the 2 because we know whichever number we start with, it still isn't going to change our answer. So you could have just done 7, 8, 9. All right, let's look at this next one right here. It says 8 minus 2. Take a moment of private think time. 8 minus 2. If we're at 8, are we gonna count forward or backwards? Right, we're counting backwards because we see that minus. So if we're at 8, 7, 6. So what's our answer? 6. Very good. And if you had your hands up, you might have had 5 and then 3. You took 2 away from that 3 and you could see 6. Super easy. All right, here's our next one. We have 6 plus 4. Right. You want to start with our 6 and we're going to count up 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. It equals 9. Very good. So thinking about your strategy that you use, think about why it was most helpful. And if maybe you didn't pick a strategy that was very helpful, what could you do next time? All right, let's practice this one. 4 minus 2. Right, we see our 4, And we see that they took away 2 with Xing it out. So how many we see is left is 2. Very good. So you didn't even have to draw it out on your own. You can just look at the pictures that was already there. Let's look at this one. We have 8 minus 1. Right? We see that there was 8. If we count backwards by 1, that would be 7. Very good. Let's look at this one over here. We have a 2 plus 2. If we see the 2 red here and the 2 yellow here, if we looked them all together, it's 4. Very good. And this one, we see a 7 plus 1. So if we're at 7 and we count up 1 more, it makes 8. Very good. Was there a problem that you found easier to solve than others? Why do you think it made it easier? Alrighty, this is going to be your exit ticket to send to your teacher. You're going to take your time and you can vocalize it by recording a video or quickly showing your answers very quickly. So you're going to solve each problems. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 3 equals something. 3 plus 5 equals something, and 6 minus 2. Really, when you're trying to solve, close your eyes and think about each problem. And remember, you're becoming fluent mathematicians, and practicing these strategies will help you become very fluent. So you want to think what's the quickest and easiest way to solve it. Great job learning today, boys and girls.